So we're continuing with cover zero, part two. I'm bringing all three middle backers. One, two, three. So let's see what we got going. We get to him in the backfield. We didn't get that first initial tackle in the backfield, but we're back there. Had he been up earlier, might have been easy to get off that. I can't really say that. Maybe that guy would have blocked him, and the corner would have had to make the play again. But it's neither here nor there. So on this one, we got into the backfield, but we're not making plays back there. I'm bringing the Ram as well as the Mike linebacker. See what happened on that one. Okay, we got to make plays in the backfield. This was fourth and short, and to be honest, I really feel like we stopped him on that play. Maybe it's just I'm biased. If the stick right there is the first down marker, no. If that stick with the number on it is the first down marker, yes. I guess. So again, this diagram is just basically telling who's supposed to have who and who's blitzing. So we don't get what we need from our defensive line. The whole defensive line should have been slanting to the defensive left, and I was bringing the outside linebacker. That's what was supposed to have happened. Again, a lot of times we end up double covering people with the outside linebacker. He shouldn't have really had to have the number two because the safety has him in zero. He should have been going to get that running back right here. I'm hoping doing it. Just imagine what it would look like if he would have done that. I think it would have been a big difference. The pressure is definitely making a difference. He is not able to do what he wants to do. It was supposed to be a rollout. So my safety that's got the number two, he's way too big of a cushion for me. I want him to come down to about at least here. About 7 yards. You know, almost 11 yards. Too much. What we're doing on the D line. Going the wrong way, spinning. Take your responsibility when you do it. My nose guard is way too high. Jeez Louise. Huge nose guard that's just standing straight up and standing him up. He's got to stay low. He's got to stay low. Can't get moved like that. Nose guard cannot get moved like that. You gotta stand your ground. You cannot let these guys move. You cannot get moved out of there. Gotta get him down. Get him down. They're raking at that ball though. It's tough when they're trying to grind it out on you. Man up. Bringing all the middle backers. Oh! Did y'all see my linebacker catch a cramp right there? Oh my God. Man-to-man coverage. My corner up there makes a zone turn. Should have been turning into the man instead of turning towards the quarterback. But I had this linebacker right there not caught that cramp. I believe he would have stung that quarterback. That quarterback got super lucky with the cramp guards because he timed it up decently. Oh, man. Guess we got to give credit to the chip block from the running back on him. I guess that helped. Mr. Guard. Conditioning. Should be all three linebackers coming. All three of them. Keep coming, son. Keep coming. Don't hesitate. That was the second of that one. Great job. All right, let's see what's going on here. So, holding on him right there. So, I'm scraping outside linebackers from the top. Good linebacker play. Young man scraping over the top. That's good linebacker. Wow. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I like that. Yes, sir. Way to come down here and get to that football, young man. Absolutely great job. Booyah. It's a football player right there. Want to know how to play linebacker and scrape across. There it is. There it is. Good job. Outstanding. Smash and kill. We don't let guys avoid us like that. I want you to put pads on him and knock him out. That should have been a cracked egg right there. When you come across that C gap like that, that should have been a pow, cracked egg. No, don't leave your feet, gentlemen. Don't leave your feet. Do not leave your feet. You better be for sure he's throwing it. Do not leave your feet in this situation. No. But we do pull it down. We make him run, which is what we want to do. We got to put some pads on him if we're going to make him do it. Oh, no, Zero. Doing a little too much, man. Stay at home for cutback. Stay at home for cutback, outside linebacker. Go hustle defensive end. This kid actually makes his tackle. This is what we call a motor. He's coming. Spin inside. I'm on the hunt. Good job. Good job. I take that hustle any day of the week. I like the spin move. Trying to get in there. Spin back. Come on. Retrace. Retrace. Hustle. Good job. Bringing both outside backers. Should be coming. That's what we want. Put some pressure on them. Got good inside technique. I have to take this each and every time. So was that the pressure? That pressure caused that early throw? I would say so. I would say so. Should be both middle backers going A gap. Guy calls off his own block. Blitz. Can't do that. Cannot do that. He should be going A gap too. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Had a kid just slip and fall in cover zero. Cannot do that. A lot of times you can fall, but not in cover zero in this situation. What's going on here? Squeeze. Come down that line of scrimmage. It's on you. They in. Gotta squeeze and go down the line of scrimmage. They hand you the ball. Gotta get hands on them. Hands on them. Rewind that. You gotta get hands on this tackle. That's gonna take you straight to the ball. Should have been an easy tackle for a loss. And double scrape, but do get a good bit of pressure on the quarterback. Oh man. Gotta get in there. That big Wayne. Good pressure on the quarterback. Hey, D-line and DBs have a special relationship, and you just found out why. They make each other's job easier. Trips got pressure coming from the middle, and when we bring all three backers, 1, 2, 3, if he has nobody to cover, he can rat in that hole. So